Hello kids, welcome back to the channel. So today we will learn the alphabets. First of all we will learn the colors name. Orange, light green, blue, dark green, pink, red, purple. So let's start learning alphabet. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thank you kids, we have completed the alphabets. Till then, bye bye.